Kopogore gi mago mag chudo ne jogo mane wito johera kata familia magi, wayudo kanyo ni jagoro mano mar riwruok mar jopuonja KNUT mano COLINS Oyuu onyiero mokalo paro moro mabende Wilson Sossion nitiere godo madwaro mar mondo mi obi ochung' e yiero mano mabende ibiro bedo ka ibago kod riwruogno. Oyuu wacho ni Sossion ok en jakanyono mano mar KNUT kata mar riwruogno. Oyuu owacho ni ka otenre kod chike mago mabende tayo riwruogno, jalno mabende ok en jakanyono mar riwruogno ok oyiene kata ok nyal miye thuolo mano mar chung' e yiero maket koda mano.
Kama sheria imekataa yeye si mpinzani. So in so long as we work with the law and our constitution, sina mpinzani. In fact, I've been endorsed here. The law is very clear. And I want you to go refer to Part 4 of the Labor Relations Act, revised 2022. Then come to our constitution. Utapata hakuna nafasi ya mtu mwingine ambaye is not a member here. So don't talk to me about non-members of Kenya National Union of Teachers. I don't even want to hear about them. You know, I just don't want to talk about everybody walking around the streets and calling herself a candidate. He has no place in the leadership of KNUT. Hana, KNUT is not, you know, a duster rag. It is not. Where you step out, go into politics, go into your business outside there, and you come back, you want to be a candidate. Where? Wapi hiyo? Hata kama unataka power kuna hapa. Sisi ndio wenye power. Sisi ndio wenye power. And we shall control this union to be respected and liked by all. All and sundry, and I'm talking about the members, we are here for you for the union. Non-members should talk from outside the fence.